Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the Josie Maran Argan Pro-Retinol Mega Moisture Face Cream. This is what the unit looks like. Josie Maran kindly sent this over as part of PR in the earlier portion of the year. It was the very first PR package I got from the brand, and I am finally sharing my thoughts with you all today. Josie Maran has always been a brand that I have wanted to try that I never got around to, so I am glad that this is one of the first products that I am reviewing for you all today. I fear that this may be turning into a Josie Maran channel in the next few weeks or months. I am not, however, getting paid to share my thoughts with you all today. If you are new here, my name is Nadia and I'm a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and be sure to hit that notification bell so that you are notified whenever there's a brand new upload. Josie Maran describes this as a wrinkle smoothing, mega hydrating, 100% non-irritating face cream that is powered by a plant-based retinol, biometric argan oil, and fruit pulp extract. This moisturizer targets elasticity, fine lines, wrinkles, pores, texture, and dullness with no irritation or redness in sight. You can find this at josiemaran.com, Sephora. I will be sure to link it for you down below. A 1.7 ounce unit of this retails for $54. Josie Maran suggests that you smooth a dime-sized amount to clean, dry skin after applying the Argan Beta Retinoid Pink Algae Serum and the Argan Pro Retinol Eye Cream, all of which are sold separately. I do not own any of those products, so I think it's their pink range. So you want to follow this with the 100% pure argan oil and follow it with sunscreen the next day, of course. We see a number of the best ingredients throughout this formula. We see well over 20 hydrating ingredients alongside excellent anti-agers, antioxidants, and skin soothers. We do see 2 average and poor ingredients such as benzyl alcohol and an extract, to name 2. These have the potential to, of course, irritate your skin. This does have a natural scent with no synthetic fragrance. We see squalane, argan oil, sodium hyaluronate, aloe leaf juice, and shea butter. Argan oil is an ingredient that we see throughout the Josie Maran range. It's an anti-aging hydrator. Squalane, another anti-aging hydrator, prevents moisture loss and restores suppleness to the skin. It also helps to strengthen your skin's barrier. You see sodium hyaluronate. The salt form of hyaluronic acid is again an anti-ager, a hydrator, a skin soother. It's an excellent skin replenishing ingredient that is more readily absorbed by the skin than hyaluronic acid itself. We also see pink algae derived retinol, which helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles without the irritation. I began using this when I had the stomach flu. I will spare you the details, but it was the first time that I ever had the stomach flu, and it will hopefully be the last. I had no appetite, no energy, absolutely nothing. I'd literally just cleanse my skin at the end of the day and apply this all over my face, neck, and décolleté and literally call it a day. My stomach flu lasted 3 days. At the time, I found this to be exactly what my super sensitive skin which at the time it needed. I was sensitive due to the stomach flu and, of course, severe springtime allergies. My skin the next day would wake up feeling plump. I found this to have a thick velvety feel that didn't feel heavy over the skin, which I tend to like. Over time, I found this to be thick, creamy, but still good enough to use during warm summer months without attracting enormous amounts of dog hair, which, you know, I have a dog and I give him lots of kisses, or even my own hair at that, because I do have a lot of hair. So this again felt amazing on the neck and décolleté. I always recommend that you apply your skincare along those areas, but literally during winter and spring, I totally did not abide by my own tips. I just, looking back, and this always happens to me. Looking back, I feel like it was seasonal affective disorder, or I was in a funk, just kind of coasting through with no real love or appreciation for anything, really. But for skincare, like, I just did it to do it because I had to do it. Without, of course, paying any attention to what was happening. So that is why perhaps you haven't seen loads of skincare product reviews, but they are coming. Going forward, you will see more skincare product reviews. So on July 24th, I noted that after use, my skin wakes up firmer, plumper, and more hydrated after use. Not once during my test did I experience any irritation, any redness, even on my neck and décolleté. In fact, because I have been applying products more to that area, I have noticed, yes, I have noticed a change in the appearance of my neck and décolleté. I feel like because my skin is more hydrated, those finer lines are a lot less noticeable. That day, I also wrote that I really, really like this. Prior to using this product, I had been testing the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Rich Barrier Cream. I will link my review to that up above. I don't have that anymore, of course, because I just emptied it. I used it and I loved it so much that it is literally already gone. It is empty. The Peter Thomas Roth moisturizer, however, is a gel-based moisturizer that really hydrates the skin. They differ in not only texture, but also in their ingredients. We see a handful more anti-agers in the Josie Maran product than we see in that Peter Thomas Roth moisturizer. Peter Thomas Roth product, however, does not contain any sensitizing or irritating ingredients, whereas we do see a few in here. A few years ago, I would have told you that I'd only reach for even the Peter Thomas Roth moisturizer and this during winter months, but the more I grow older, the more I age, I find myself reaching for thicker, richer, highly moisturizer creams, even during warmer months. That is, however, only during the nighttime portion of my routine. Currently, for daytime, I am trying the LMS Pro-Collagen Marine Cream, anti-wrinkle day cream, and sometimes I'll throw in the Drunk Elephant Proteiny Polypeptide Cream. I feel like they are both much lighter than the Josie Maran product we are talking about today. Right now, in this phase of my life, I am going to say that I would use this year-round, especially because it feels so good on the neck and décolleté. From use, I have noticed firmer, plumper, hydrated skin with no irritation. I have used this over the Dr. Loretta Replenishing Serum, which I have been obsessed with so long. my review for this is coming soon. And I have also used this over the Medicate Hydro B5 Intense. Both of those are hydrating serums, and both of those I am working on that review for you. But I have also used this on its own, and I love it. I love using this with or without any serums underneath. I did not use this during the day. This worked very well with the Golden Haze Oil by Alpha H, which I reviewed. I will link that up above for you. It's still, after all of this time, one of my favorite oils. My favorite way to use this, of course, is by removing my makeup with the FARMACY Strawberry Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, the IS Clinical Cleanser, the PCA Hydrating Toner, then the Dr. Loretta Replenishing Serum, and then a very healthy amount of this moisturizer, followed by my Drunk Elephant eye products and a product I have been obsessed with, the Lawless Forget the Filler Overnight Lip Plumping Mask. This stuff is so good. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. I would recommend this to anyone dealing with the signs of aging who has tried retinol-based products and experience dryness, flaking, irritation. I feel like this may be gentle enough for you to see results. Also, anyone dealing with dry skin, as I found this to be hydrating and plumping to the skin. I will also add that the more I used, the better my skin looked and felt. This does claim to brighten and reform power without peel. I don't know if I would attribute the more brighter appearance to my skin to this alone. I have kind of switched things around and have predominantly been using the Drunk Elephant C Firma Fresh Serum during the day, and I feel like that has really just kind of transformed my skin as well. Instead of simply doing hydrating or niacinamide based daytime routines, I feel like adding a vitamin C serum has attributed to the more brighter, youthful appearance to the skin. I don't think that I would 100% attribute it to this. But I will say that the more I use this, the more I like how my skin is looking currently. My pros here: this is vegan, this is cruelty-free, formaldehyde-free, and recyclable, which we love. There is some weight to this jar, so it does feel a little luxe when you reach for it. And I like the price point here. Products with similar ingredients are priced anywhere between $38 to $72 here. And the texture here, on the face at least, it reminds me of a favorite, the FARMACY 10% niacinamide mask. My cons, which I do have a few: this does contain alcohol, benzyl alcohol, a plant extract that may potentially irritate the skin. This does have an odd scent. And like I can only smell it if I put it directly under my nose. It reminds me of something that I smelt in kindergarten. It's practically non-existent. And I do also randomly smell it during different times of the month, but that's just an FYI. If you have a sensitive nose, you may catch a whiff of it, but under regular circumstances, I don't really notice a scent here. I am docking 0.5 point for the drying alcohols and another 0.5 point for the two potentially irritating ingredients. So I am rating this a 9 out of 10. I really, really enjoyed this moisturizer, and I am so happy that it was the first Josie Maran product that I tried, as I truly enjoyed it and have enjoyed using it over hydrating serums, or alone, of course, when I'm feeling particularly sensitive or lazy. Let me know if you have used this product by Josie Maran in the comments down below. What were your results? Would you recommend this to others? Let's discuss. Thank you all so much for watching, for spending some time with me today. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a like as well. It really helps the algorithm here. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Oh my god, what is wrong with my face? Why is it itching? Oh my god, this is going to give me an anxiety attack. Why am I so itchy? The more I talk, the more my face itches. It's an anti-aging hydrator. Oh no. I have a hair. Oh. Boy, do I have something in my face. What is it? Oh my god. Stop. Oh my gosh. I almost gave myself a panic/anxiety attack with whatever is on my face. Oh, I can see it. It's a hair, of course. Please get off my face. Where was I? Okay, so why is it only during summer months that I feel like I get itchy on my face? There it is. Any more hairs?